Sochi for what could be a world. From Cristiano Ronaldo, throwing everything forward.
Today we are recreating those viral football edits you keep seeing everywhere. I have this match video clip. I randomly picked 8 scenes and arranged them in sequence on the timeline.
Sochi for what could be a World Cup. Ronaldo.
As you can see, I haven't removed the original audio because it actually adds a nice vibe to the edit. Just double-click on the clip, go to speed, then speed ramping and click on customize. Leave a little space between the points and add key points all the way to the end. Of course, you can use any of the built-in presets, but in this case, I'll create my own. Now, simply drag every alternate point slightly downward like this.
Throwing everything forward.
Since my clip is fairly short, the effect won't be very noticeable yet. If you like the result, you can also save it as a custom preset. Next, go to the effects panel and search for Halo. Drag it to the beginning of the timeline and trim the duration accordingly.
Sochi for what could be a World Cup.
Place the playhead here and add keyframes. Then move to the end and set the values to 0. As always, apply ease out to the keyframes to make the animation smoother.
Sochi for what could be a World Cup.
Now search for Luma Sharp. Drag it onto an upper layer and you'll instantly notice the difference. Stretch it until the end of the sequence. Set the opacity to around 85% and the intensity to around 60%. After that, search for highlight and drag it onto the timeline. In the properties, set glow to 15 and brightness to 80. Next, search for pulse shake. This gives us a subtle flickering and shaky effect that works really well for sports edits. Now search for vignette and drag it onto the timeline. As you can see, it looks a bit too strong by default. So simply reduce the opacity to around 20%. You can check the before and after result for comparison. We'll also add another effect called vignette film pack flicker. Again, reduce the opacity to around 20%. Once that's done, extend all of these effects until the end of the edit. At this point, transitions are not really necessary. However, if you want to add some, go to the transition section and search for exposure. Drag it onto the first cut. If you like how it looks, you can apply it to the rest of the clips as well. Now I have this audio track. At this stage, you can use any music you prefer. As you can see, the duration is a little short, so to fix that, we'll use the AI extend feature. Simply select the suitable audio and drag it until it reaches the desired length, and Filmora will generate the extra section automatically. And that's the final result. This already looks great, but Filmora has also released some World Cup themed effects. So let's push this even further. You can mix and match these title presets, transitions, video effects, filters, and other assets however you want depending on your own style. In my case though, this edit is complete. Before ending the video, check out this bonus effect. Go to Stock Media, then click on AI Media and open this section. Here you'll find a lot of football and World Cup related templates. Of course, you can try any template you want because the process stays almost the same. For this example, I'll choose this trophy lifting celebration template. One thing to keep in mind, the final generated result may look slightly different each time. Now simply click on it and select your image. For now, I'll keep the resolution set to vertical video. Make sure your subject is positioned in the center if needed, then click submit. Also make sure this toggle is enabled. After that, simply hit generate. You can monitor the progress inside the My Files section. Once the video is ready, drag it onto the timeline. And that's it. The result already looks pretty good. You can still make small adjustments depending on your style, like trimming the clip or adding sound effects for a more polished final output. If you want more creative Filmora edits like this, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.